In this video, we are going to program Nuvoton's MS51 FB9A microcontroller. Before that, we need to set up the following things. After that, open Microvision file and open new project. For that project, we need to create a folder. Save it. Then we need to select the microcontroller. So we select click OK, start OK. Then we need to set up the target. So we need to include the BSP files that we downloaded before. It will have available the Nuvoton's GitHub page. And open the file location to load the library. This is a folder. From library we need to include the include file, and we need to add one more file from that. This file contains the commonly used library like I2C, UART, timer, delay, etc. Then we need to disable the warning system, so it will don't show the unwanted warnings. Then use the target device for programming. I use Nuvoton driver. Then click OK. Then add a C file. After that, save all. So the code compilation and dynamic syntax checking are only available for KLMDK based projects. These features cannot be used with project based on 8051, 251, etc. So I use Visual Studio Code and a KL Assistant plugin. Add the Microvision path to the KL Assistant. Then we need to open the project we saved before, that is Blink, and click OK. So now we can edit the KL file from Visual Studio. Add the libraries. Then we write a simple Blink code program. There are 4 modes for a pin. So we need to set this pin as output. So we use push pull mode, output mode, and we are using P12 pin. As output. Then we need to write for the Blink part. For delay part, I am using a for loop. This delay function is defined in function defined library. We can see that. Let me. There is the library. This is simple for loop software delay, and we can see that pin definitions here pin 1 2. Just copy paste and toggle the. You can see that the same in Microshell. I don't like Microshell's own editor. That's why I use Visual Studio. We can change the mode dark, so only support white mode. So, and we build the file, successfully build, and something. I think the setting is changed for the target driver. So let me fix it. We can see that the settings is changed here. Okay, we need to set this. Click OK and upload the program. It's finished. So we can see that the blink is working perfect. Thank you.